What is up? It's your boy in here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger because we're gonna be ordering some modifications for the inside of the Tacoma. It's like a new chapter in my life where this Tacoma is my new project and I can't stop looking at it. I can't stop touching things that I want to change on it. So it's a very exciting time and I hope it's as exciting for you guys. We gotta start small and then we'll take over the big things. Now, I just hit 1,000 miles on this truck. And well, being that I've spent 1,000 miles on the truck, I'm starting to realize some stuff that I need. That's what we're gonna be talking about in today's video. First off, leave your guesses. What do you think the first 3 modifications I'm gonna do on this truck is? If you can guess all 3 items, you get 5 brownie points. I don't know what they're worth. Bada boom, bada bing. We're on the interior of the Tacoma. Now, this video is not the end of the interior mods to come. You guys already know this thing is gonna get done up. Just to start, there are some stuff that we have to change. So the first thing that we're gonna be changing is somewhere where you rest your arms. Now, the left side, this is nice, but this thing right here feels awful on a long road trip. We have to order like a pad or an armrest thing here. Now, I had it on my other Tacoma and I loved it. It was like one of my favorite interior things. So that's the number 1 thing we got to order. Now we got to step on to number 2. So the number 2 thing, these lights. Guys, I kid you not, remember this clip? This makes the truck look like it came out in 2001. If I was just showing this interior, it would literally make it feel like it's a 2001 truck. I know there are some dealerships that offer it, but they charge you like $300. So if you did that, I'm sorry that you did that. But I'm about to show you guys how to order them for a lot cheaper, like way cheaper than $300. And last but not least, not really something that I need, but something that I had on my last truck, I got them in blue. So if you remember what I'm talking about, it was in the back seat. Let's see if you can guess. Now that I got this Voodoo Blue truck, I'm gonna get them again in blue, and it's gonna be perfect. So a lot of the time when I get into this truck, it feels very awkward. Sidebars aren't really that helpful. So now when I get them, it'll be a lot more helpful. Sometimes Sandy's mom would try to get into the lifted truck and she kind of had to grab onto them right there and just like pull up. But now with this side step, you can step and pull. So yeah, that's what I'm going for. We got to get the little handlebars that sit right here, spice it up with a little bit of blue. Let me go on my phone, let me order some stuff on Amazon, and I'll show y'all how I do it. If you're interested in any of this stuff, it will be linked down below, of course. So let's get started. We need an LED light kit for the Tacoma. Now, this is for like a 2016 and up model, so if you have anything like that, this will be the video for you. If you need help on installing it, I'll make an installation video. I already have one, but I'm gonna make another one updated, obviously, on this truck. So with that being said, we're looking at this one. Bada boom, bada bing. This one is 20 bucks. I think it's worth it. 20 bucks is way worth it. It makes the truck feel a lot better. And when I was on a road trip, we dropped a couple things and then we turned that on and couldn't see anything. Like, it doesn't make it any better. So we definitely got to get those LED lights because, well, it's a must. Number 2, this one is weird. I just look up Toyota Tacoma armrest, but again, you guys don't have to because it's gonna be linked down below. Oh, nice. This one's only 12 bucks. Sick. So this one's 12 bucks. I'm just gonna go ahead and order it. It is a little bit of a pain to install, and I'll show you guys that once I actually get it. I think it'll be good. It makes the truck feel a lot better. I had it on the other one. My left arm feels good. It's just the right side. It's just a little bit too hard. Like, I could body slam someone onto this and probably cause some serious injuries. And the last but not least, all right, this is it. This one, I admit, this one I'm not okay with. This is, I guess, is just personal preference if you want to buy them. They have them in a lot of colors too. Like, I don't know if you guys can see all the colors they have there. Blue, black, green, army green, purple, red, orange. That's pretty much it. I think it's worth it. 20 bucks is a steal for me. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up right now. I'm gonna order those. Right now it's telling me my complete order should be arriving on Wednesday. So you'll probably see this on like a Thursday video. So everything is ordered. There are some stuff that are more important on the truck, but that'll come later. It's just right now, I just want to do things that I genuinely use. I don't want to order too many things that I'm not really into or don't really need right now. The handlebars kind of got carried away. That's why I don't like Amazon on my phone. But with that being said, let me know what the first 3 mods you got inside of your Tacoma was. A lot of people have a different approach. Like, some people get a screen protector. I have not yet got one. I don't know. I've never had any issues on the past 3 Tacomas. Let me not jinx it on the 4th, but I've never had any issues. I hope you guys did enjoy. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.